Welcome to AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. I'm Chris Doelle, and each week I bring you the most important AI developments that can transform your business. Let's dive into this week's top stories.
Story 1. Stargate Project. $500 billion AI infrastructure investment. On January 21, 2025, President Trump announced the Stargate Project alongside OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle, and MGX, a private sector commitment to invest up to $500 billion over the next 4 years to build AI infrastructure across the United States. The project will construct 20 data centers nationwide, with the flagship facility already operational in Abilene, Texas. SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son will lead the initiative, creating an estimated 100,000 American jobs. For small businesses, this represents a fundamental shift. Massive compute capacity will democratize access to advanced AI. Instead of enterprise-only tools, SMBs will gain affordable access to reasoning models, agent frameworks, and real-time data processing, leveling the competitive playing field. What it means. The Stargate infrastructure build-out signals that AI compute won't be a bottleneck for small business innovation in 2026 and beyond. Story 2. OpenAI Operator. AI agent that browses the web for you. On January 23, 2025, OpenAI launched Operator, a research preview of an AI agent that can control a web browser and autonomously perform tasks like booking concert tickets, ordering groceries, or filling out forms. Currently available to ChatGPT Pro subscribers, $200 per month in the United States, Operator represents the first wave of truly autonomous AI agents. Unlike chatbots that answer questions, Operator takes action on your behalf, navigating websites, clicking buttons, and completing multi-step workflows. For small businesses, this could transform customer service and back-office operations. Imagine an AI agent that processes orders, schedules appointments, or researches suppliers, freeing your team to focus on strategy and relationships. The catch: Operator still needs human oversight for now. But the trajectory is clear. AI agents will become essential productivity multipliers for SMBs in 2026. Story 3. OpenAI launches ChatGPT Health, January 7, 2026. On January 7, 2026, OpenAI launched ChatGPT Health, a dedicated health experience that securely connects medical records and wellness apps to provide personalized health guidance. Here's what makes it significant. Over 230 million people globally already ask health and wellness questions on ChatGPT every week. Now, ChatGPT Health lets users securely connect medical records through Be Well, the largest network of U.S. healthcare data, plus wellness apps like Apple Health, MyFitnessPal, and Function. The platform is designed to help people understand test results, prepare for doctor appointments, get diet and workout advice, and navigate insurance options, all grounded in their own health data. Built in collaboration with over 260 physicians from 60 countries, it includes purpose-built encryption and isolation to protect sensitive health information. For small businesses, especially in healthcare, wellness, and employee benefits, this signals a massive shift in how people will interact with their health data. Businesses offering health-related services will need to think about AI integration, and employers will see employees expect AI-powered health tools as standard benefits. The platform is rolling out on a waitlist to ChatGPT users outside the EU, Switzerland, and UK, with full availability planned in the coming weeks.
Story 4. Microsoft's Agentic AI for Retail. January 8, 2026. On January 8, 2026, Microsoft announced agentic AI solutions for retail, built on Dynamics 365, and previewing in February 2026. The new capabilities include autonomous agents for merchandising, marketing, store operations, fulfillment, and customer service. Key features include Copilot Checkout, conversational AI that guides customers through purchase decisions. Brand agents, AI representatives that interact with shoppers across digital channels. Commerce Anywhere, unified retail operations powered by AI agents. These aren't just chatbots. Microsoft's agentic AI can autonomously manage inventory replenishment, optimize pricing, personalize promotions, and coordinate omni-channel fulfillment without constant human supervision. For small retailers, this democratizes enterprise-grade retail intelligence. Even a single-location boutique can now deploy AI agents that compete with national chains' personalization and operational efficiency. Story 5. Google's Universal Commerce Protocol. January 11, 2026. On January 11, 2026, just yesterday, Google unveiled the Universal Commerce Protocol, UCP, an open standard designed to enable AI agents to autonomously complete purchases across the web. Think of it as a common language for AI shopping agents. Instead of each agent needing custom integrations with every retailer, UCP provides a standardized way for AI to browse products, compare prices, add items to cart, and complete checkout, all without human intervention. Google also announced Gemini Enterprise for customer experience, enabling retailers to rapidly deploy AI agents using existing chat transcripts and documentation. For small businesses, this is massive. You won't need a development team to make your store AI agent ready. Adopt UCP, and your products become discoverable and purchasable by millions of AI agents, from Google's AI mode to ChatGPT's operator to future autonomous shopping assistants. The era of agentic commerce is here, and it starts with small businesses getting AI ready now. Story 6. LinkedIn Report. 59% of U.S. SMBs plan to adopt AI in 2026. LinkedIn's Work Change Report, released in late December 2025, revealed that 59% of U.S. small business executives plan to adopt AI across their organizations in 2026, a 5-point jump from 2025. The report identified 3 growth engines for small businesses. Number 1. Adopting AI for speed and scale. Number 2. Building skilled, adaptable teams. Number 3. Leveraging AI-driven insights for decision-making. Additional findings. 69% year-over-year increase in LinkedIn members adding founder to their profiles, suggesting AI is fueling a small business creation boom. Entrepreneurs are using AI to handle tasks previously requiring full teams, from content creation to financial modeling. For SMBs, 2026 is the year you can't afford to sit on the sidelines. Your competitors are adopting AI, and customers increasingly expect AI-powered experiences. The question isn't, should we adopt AI, but which AI tools will give us the biggest ROI fastest?
Story 7. SMB AI adoption statistics. 93% see revenue growth. A December 9, 2025 report highlighted measurable gains from AI adoption in SMBs. 93% of SMBs using AI saw revenue grow. 82% reduced costs. 91% reported year-over-year positive ROI on AI investments. Separately, a December 2025 report found that 92% of small businesses now use AI tools, a 40% jump from 2024. The most common use cases: marketing automation, customer service chatbots, content creation, data analysis, and predictive analytics. Another key stat: 82% of AI-using SMBs increased their workforce in 2025, and 78% call AI a game changer for their business. The data is clear. AI isn't replacing small business teams, it's amplifying them. Companies that adopt AI strategically are growing faster, operating more efficiently, and hiring more people. Story 8. Bento launches Tanuki AI, January 10, 2026. On January 10, 2026, Bento, an AI-powered email marketing and CRM platform serving over 4,000 small businesses, launched Tanuki AI, described as the first AI marketing agent that builds email automations from simple conversations. Instead of manually designing email sequences, small business owners can now describe their campaign goals in plain English. Tanuki AI analyzes the request, generates the email sequence, creates the automation workflow, and deploys it, ready for production in seconds. Example: create a welcome series for new subscribers that educates them about our product and offers a 10% discount on day 7. Tanuki AI builds the entire 7-email sequence with subject lines, body copy, timing delays, and conditional logic. For SMBs, this eliminates the learning curve for sophisticated email marketing. You don't need to master automation platforms or hire a marketing agency. Conversational AI does the technical work, while you focus on strategy and customer relationships. Story 9. IDC Report: AI redefining SMB growth in 2026. IDC's SMB 2026 Digital Landscape Report, published in early January 2026, found that AI, Gen AI, and cloud technologies are redefining growth for small and medium businesses. Key findings: SMBs are achieving faster ROI from AI investments than enterprises. Pragmatic, focused AI strategies outperform AI everywhere approaches. Cloud plus AI integration is now table stakes for competitive SMBs. Data strategy, not just AI tools, determines success. The report emphasizes that 2026 is the year SMBs transition from AI experimentation to AI as a core operational strategy. Winners will be businesses that pick 2 to 3 high-impact AI use cases, implement them well, measure results, and scale from there. For SMBs, don't try to do everything at once. Identify your biggest bottleneck: customer acquisition, operational efficiency, or customer retention, and deploy AI to solve that one problem first. Story 10. Action Plan for Small Businesses, January 2026. Based on this week's AI developments, here's your action plan for the next 30 days. Number 1. Assess your AI readiness for agentic commerce. Google's Universal Commerce Protocol is live. If you sell products online, ensure your website is structured for AI agents to browse and purchase. Work with your web developer to evaluate UCP compatibility. Number 2. Experiment with AI agents. Sign up for a trial of an AI agent platform, whether it's ChatGPT Pro with Operator, Microsoft Copilot for Business, or a specialized tool like Bento's Tanuki AI. Spend 1 week testing how an agent can automate one repetitive task. Number 3. Audit your current AI usage. If you're in the 92% of SMBs already using AI, measure its impact. Are you tracking ROI? Are your employees trained on AI tools? Are you using AI strategically or just experimenting? Document your baseline to inform 2026 investments. Number 4. Prepare for the agentic AI shift. Microsoft's retail AI agents and Google's shopping protocol signal a fundamental change. Passive websites become interactive, autonomous experiences. Start thinking about how AI agents, not just human visitors, will interact with your business. Number 5. Hire for AI skills. As the LinkedIn report showed, 59% of SMBs are adopting AI in 2026. When hiring, prioritize candidates who can implement and optimize AI tools. Even non-technical roles benefit from AI fluency. The AI infrastructure is being built. Stargate's $500 billion investment ensures compute capacity for the next decade. The platforms are ready. Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI are shipping agentic AI now. The question is, will your business be ready when customers expect AI-powered experiences as the baseline? Your move.
That's it for this week's AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. If you found this valuable, share it with a fellow business owner. If you want a hands-on group that you can work with on your specific AI needs, consider joining Business Success Academy at freshmediaworks.com/BSA. Until next week, keep innovating and keep it real.